Today we're diving into Willow, an AI productivity tool that claims to streamline your workflow. But does it really deliver on that promise? I've tested it out, and I've got some thoughts you'll want to hear before you decide to jump in. Willow is designed to help users manage their tasks and projects more efficiently. At its core, it combines AI-driven insights with a clean interface that aims to minimize distractions. Right off the bat, you notice the focus on user experience. Everything feels intuitive, which is a big plus for those who aren't tech savvy. One of the standout features is its ability to analyze your work habits and suggest improvements. This could really help those struggling with time management. But while the tool shines in its basic functionalities, some aspects feel a bit underdeveloped. For example, I notice a lack of integrations with popular apps that many users rely on, which could limit its versatility. The intended audience seems to be freelancers and small teams looking to optimize their workflow, but it might not cater well to larger organizations or those needing advanced project management features. Overall, the concept is solid, but there are some gaps that need addressing. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Willow's user interface is quite appealing, making it easy to navigate. The AI suggestions are genuinely useful and can help you become more productive. However, on the flip side, there are some frustrations. For one, the lack of integrations with other tools can be a deal breaker for users who rely on a variety of apps to manage their tasks. Additionally, while the pricing is reasonable for individuals, it might not scale well for teams, which could make it feel less valuable as your needs grow. There's also a bit of a trust concern due to limited transparency about data privacy and security measures. Ultimately, it seems best suited for solo users or small teams, while larger organizations might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Willow is a promising AI productivity tool that can genuinely enhance your workflow, especially if you're a freelancer or part of a small team. However, if you need extensive integrations or advanced features, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's worth a try, but approach with a bit of caution regarding its long-term scalability.